Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a student looking for a paid government internship, especially in a public health, communication, or content creation, this one is for you. ICMR, yes, the Indian Council of Medical Research has opened application for their Health Communication Internship Program for January to March 2026. And trust me, this is a big opportunity with a stipend, certification, and national level exposure. So let me break this down for you. ICMR is offering a 3 months full health communication internship. You will get hands-on experience working on health campaign, public health content, communication and outreach. Interns will be placed either at the ICMR headquarters in Delhi or at one of its 28 institutes across India. Now, what exactly you will be doing? So, you will be supporting health campaign, creating communication material, assisting in events and outreach, presenting a capstone project, and finally submitting a report to ICMR at the end. Who can apply? Indian citizen under 28 as of October 30th, 2025. Final year students or graduates within the last 2 years. Minimum marks is required 55% or CGPA 5.7 for UG students, 50% or CGPA 5.2 for PG students, must have strong communication skills in English plus one regional language. Bonus point if you know Canva, MS Office, or Photoshop. Now, the part everyone loves, the benefits. You will get 10K per month as a stipend. You will receive a certificate from ICMR after completion. Only 30 interns will be selected, so competition is high. Last date to apply is 30th November 2025 at 11:59. Just scan the QR code or visit the ICMR website. So, if you are into public health, communication, media, want government research exposure on your resume, definitely apply. If you want more internship updates like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments. Thank you.